Hey there, welcome to How to Crypto. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to download Electrum wallet for Windows 11. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to head towards your web browser and type Electrum Bitcoin wallet in the search bar and hit enter and select the official website of Electrum website. Or instead, you can type electrum.org in the search bar and hit enter. Either way, you will be entering to the official website of Electrum. After you enter the official website, you will see the option to download Electrum button. Click on it and a new page will open. You will find many options there. Click on Windows Installer. Click on Save. Now it is saved in your computer. So guys, this is how you download Electrum wallet for Windows 11. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.